What's up? If you're watching this video, most likely you're interested in the 9 University course. It's the Amazon FBA course, and I'm here to give you my honest and transparent review of the course. I am in the course, and that's the number one thing first. I'm big on whoever you're learning from, make sure that they're a true practitioner of it. Inside this course, there's over 160 videos, all taught by Taylor and Cal, the creators of 9 University. If you haven't seen their YouTube videos before, this is what kind of drawn me into them. They are young guys. They are the dynamic duo. They're genuine, you can tell, and they have a lot of experience in this. And they are 7-figure earners with Amazon FBA. And these are the type of things you want to get involved in if you're serious. And I say that because there's a lot of people that think they want to do something, they think it's going to be easy, but if you're really ready to make a life change, if you're ready to start an Amazon FBA business, and you're fully committed, and you're ready to invest and commit yourself, then this is a great program for you, especially if you're a beginner. If you're not a beginner and you're more advanced and you're in other courses, I'm in other courses as well. I'm in courses that cost more than 5 times more than the price of this course. I'm in mastermind groups. I'm big on investing in my education and learning as much as I can. And when I came across Cal and Taylor, I'm like, let me see what golden nuggets I can pick up from these guys, because everyone has little tips, tactics, tricks that they're learning as they go through. So that's why you want to follow mentors and coaches that went down a certain path. They learn through hiccups and the obstacles, right? And the mistakes they made, so they can adjust and become successful with it. Now they can tell you what to watch out for and kind of hold you by the hand. The other great thing about 9 University is if you have any questions at all, you can email them, and Taylor and Cal will answer your emails directly back in a timely fashion. You know, they're there for you. There's some big programs out there where you can't get that type of attention. And now, maybe in a year from now, 2 years from now, if they continue to grow 9 University, where I think they can, I think it's going to become a special place for Amazon FBA business model, I think that they might get busier and they'll have to adjust and try to see how they can definitely treat their customers that are buying into their course and that community. And that's another thing. They also have an exclusive Facebook group once you join, where there's a community where you will see testimonials and reviews and people updating some of their success. And if you have questions, you can ask it in that community, and the group of people will look out for you and answer the questions. And also Taylor and Cal are very active in this group, so they'll also answer your questions. They'll also do weekly live webinars live on Facebook, where you'll actually be able to jump in, ask questions, stay up to date with what's going on Amazon. They give tips and tricks, and it really just keeps you on the right path and on the right track and staying motivated. And that's the biggest thing. I don't want you to purchase any courses if you're not going to fully commit yourself and take action. This course also has a 15-day money-back guarantee, which is incredible. So you could join, and in 15 days, if you don't feel it's right and it's not good for you, and you don't think that the content is good, which that just means you're not taking enough action. You have to take action, you have to commit. That's why I'm saying don't purchase any courses if you're not ready. And if you don't have any money, I suggest that if you really want to take a business to the next level, if you really want to commit and start a business, stop buying fancy things. Make it a goal, shift your mindset, make it a goal to actually save as much money as you can, because you're going to need money if you get into Amazon FBA to buy products. You're going to need certain tools. You're going to need a course, because listen, you can be successful without a course, but why go through that? It's going to cut the learning curve in half. No matter what you decide to do, whatever type of business you want to jump into, I suggest you find mentors and join coaching programs and courses. Believe me, it's going to set you up for the best success in the end. These are people that have been down the path, they've been there before. You're going to learn, especially when they put it into a step-by-step module. When you pay for something, you'll stay more committed. When it's in step-by-step form and you're in a private Facebook group, you feel more accountable. The access to that knowledge is there. Ask as many questions as you want. This is a paid program. So there's plenty of free information out there on YouTube that you could start getting, you know, a skill set here and there. Learn maybe how to do Facebook ads, do giveaways, set up your product, basic optimization on your listing, right? Where to source it by going to Alibaba, all these things. It's just, when you go by video to video, it gets overwhelming, it does get confusing. Some people have their own type of strategies, where when you're in a course, it's step by step. It's over 160 videos, 9 University, and it's step by step with some bonus videos at the end. And it's step by step. Sourcing the product, setting up this Seller Central account, right over the shoulder, all the videos. It's a really well put out course. It's by these guys that are just genuine guys that are just setting it up, you know, step by step, and recording it and putting it into simple video modules, and it's very simple to follow. So there really is no excuses on not to get your listing up, your product launched, and it's just like anything else. If someone else is doing it, you can do it too, and that's how I look at things. If that person's successful, I know I could be successful. Now, don't get me wrong, maybe that person was successful with an Amazon FBA business, let's just throw it out there, because they picked the right product at the right time, it launched, and they made money, right? Now, you might pick a product that might only do okay, but your next product might, you know, kill it and make you tons of money. It's all mindset. Don't give up. Take massive action, stay accountable, follow the course to the T, and keep launching products. And I just don't see how it cannot prove to be successful, how it cannot prove to be profitable. And again, you got these guys in your corner. Ask questions. That's really my 9 University review. It's a great course, especially if you're a beginner. If you're more advanced, some of the material you might have seen in other courses, as far as, you know, setting up the listing, navigating Seller Central, you probably know how to do that already, but it's little golden nuggets. I love the PPC was really a golden nugget. For me, it was a new look on PPC, some new tools that I learned to use. So the PPC section was the little golden nugget that I pulled from here that can really help me maybe optimize my pay-per-click campaigns even better, and take more action with them, right? You can get the course by clicking the link below in my description, and if you do get the course through that link, I'm gonna throw a bonus in there for you. I'm actually going to give you a bonus. It's a video module where I show you how I actually give and I fuel my Amazon listing even more with a SEO tactic that's very powerful. Not many courses that I know are teaching this, and it's just a new strategy that's really gonna give you the edge for search engine purposes and help your listing rank a little better. So I'm gonna give you that bonus if you purchase 9 University through my link below. All you have to do is purchase through that link. Once you purchase, find me on Instagram, I'll leave that link below, and just DM me a screenshot of your receipt and I'll confirm, me and my team will confirm to make sure that you purchased it through that link. And if you did, you're gonna get that access of how to supercharge your Amazon listing to give it even more fuel and more search engine ranking power. So that's my bonus. No one else is giving a bonus like that I know of. So if you purchase it through that link, that's what you'll get. And again, yes, 9 University, there's many places you can be, Amazon FBA courses. I don't know all the courses out there. I'm a part, again, of some mastermind groups that are really great. And I know there's some other courses out there. But this course has all the tools you need, especially if you're a beginner. But again, you have to commit yourself. If you're ready to make that change, if you're ready to make that mind shift, if you're ready to grow a real business, then 9 University is definitely a place that you can be, right? If you don't have the funds right now, be more resourceful. Start making it a goal. Shift your mind, save, commit, be fully dedicated, start the momentum, ask as many questions as you can, and I'm sure you'll be very successful with this. It's all in the mind. It's the mindset. That's where it starts. Take action. Put your back against the wall and be fully committed, dedicated, and I know that success will come. I'll see you on the inside.